Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're in the office and we're talking about yet another recall. We have recalls it's like a race for Stellantis and Ford to see who can recall more vehicles. But today we're specifically going to be talking about one of the most beloved and highest selling pickups in America. Now, before we get started, please smash the subscribe button. It helps a small channel out. And make sure you thumbs up and notification bell. Head over to the channel, hit the search bar, and go through whatever you want. There's tons of content out there. But we always try and bring automotive news as soon as we can. So Ford is recalling 2025 Ford pickups, vans, and SUVs over, guess what? The V6 engine failure. Now, if you guys remember when the Godzilla came out, it had some issues with engine failure, premature failure due to lifters and engine components, and it was never a full recall. Well, Ford is recalling now select 2025 Ford Explorer, Ford Transit, and F-150 models equipped with 3.3 liter and the 3.5 liter V6 engines due to why? Engine failures. Come on, man. So basically what they're saying is the affected vehicles, the connecting rod and rod bearing components may be manufactured with defects that can lead to engine damage and engine failure. So we're kind of like going right along the lines of the Godzilla when it first came out. The hazards, of course, is a damaged engine can result in an engine failure and stall, which can increase the fire and risk of that. Now, affected vehicles are going to be the 2025 F-150, built between February 26, 25 and March 10th of 25. 25 Explorer SUVs produced between February 28th, 2025, and 2025 Ford Transits that were produced from March 7th and March 17th of 2025. So even though it's a very small window of vehicles, right now they're saying there's at least 154 vehicles that are going to do this. They have no immediate remedy for it. And basically what they're saying is you're going to wait for communication from Ford, which will begin on June 9th of 2025. And then they will send out second letters when a remedy is available. Now, if you want the recall number is 25 S as in Sam 55. And again, you won't be hearing from them quite soon. It's going to be just a little bit longer, but I will link down below NHTSA's website. It is always free for you guys to go over there, punch in any VIN of any of your vehicles that are there, and you'll see if you have a current recall, whether it's an old recall on an older vehicle or a newer recall. Usually you can check right there and see if your vehicle is going to be affected. As always, guys, appreciate you guys stopping by, and we'll catch you on the next one.